Okay, we're boarding the plane right now. We're on our way to Punta Cana. The princess is looking at the plane. Just getting ready. Yes. Ready to go on my birthday trip. Yay! Hi everyone. We're staying at the Grand Palladium Resort in Bávaro. So we're waiting for transportation to go to our room right now, and I'm having a little drink. Ready?
Hi guys.
Hey guys.
We're going to introduce you to our hotel room.
Our resort. They've been upgraded and they now have the wristbands that are your keys.
So welcome.
So you don't have to worry about your keys anymore.
So I'm going to show you over here. We have
Our bags are here. They already came and delivered our bags when we got here and checked in.
So we have a nice painting right over here behind this wall. And
Wait, you passed the closet.
And
See the
also,
closet?
we have this closet that has a safe and drawers.
And your drawers.
And
Oh, is this for me? I think I got an early birthday cake.
yes, early birthday.
That's so nice. They must know it's my birthday. And then let's see what's in here.
So this, you guys,
Let's see. Oh, this is the mini fridge, the mini bar.
with some candy inside.
And if you want Presidente,
Yay. Apple.
then you can get a little coffee. Is there a coffee? Oh, coffee machine or coffee cups.
Yes, and guys, this right here is my lovely bed.
That's
And this is the bathroom.
Let's go visit the bedroom.
So, this is my mom's and dad's room. It's, of course, a master bedroom with some robes here.
Oops.
And these are the two.
Oh, this is the shower.
And these two
Come
are
see, check out the shower.
that's the shower, right? And this is the toilet.
What are we doing here with this? Are you gonna go in there?
Yeah, today. And you guys, these are the lovely things. They come with towels.
So this is a combo.
Yes.
Looks like a combo.
And
this
they
is,
have a lovely fan, a lovely light, and they have a lovely bed.
Oh,
And
we got a little
also
balcony
a
here.
balcony.
little balcony.
Just heck outside.
You don't have to go up there. All right, so this is our room.
My mom and dad's room, right? And we have upstairs to show you too.
Let
So,
me- So let's see, we have
we
one
have
more.
upstairs, and as you walk up the stairs, you won't believe what's up there. Come check with me.
Let's see. Let's see.
There is a jacuzzi that doesn't even work.
It does work.
We're back in the channel, and we have something to tell you. We're going to dinner. So I think
Night number
we're
one.
gonna go to the beach first and then to go look, but because I don't know the plan. Hey guys, we're back in the channel. We just came to visit the nice beach. And
Our first night.
and we're looking for sea turtles.
Oh, you can walk on the beach.
Hey guys, we're back to the channel, and now we're headed back to the room. But I just want to tell you, we didn't find any sea turtles, but we did find seaweed.
The seaweed actually is pretty
Of the breakfast. And I guess next we're going to Magala and go to the beach. Maybe.
At Las Torres. That's over at the Palace Resort for Grand Palladium. Now we're gonna go over to the palace to see what's going on over there today. try them. This is the Punta Cana resort that we're passing. Oh, they have the kids club right there. Palladium with rides. The pool's over in the corner there.
Today. So back to the channel, and we're going back to the room.
And then to the beach.
We'll get changed, and then go into the beach or the pool.
So tell me you jello. So tell me you jello. Because I love you jello.
Hi guys, we're in the ocean now.
Water feels. How does the water feel?
We just went in the ocean and mommy is just getting in right now. And we're gonna go swim over there, back over here.
Hey, amigo.
Amigo, bien, bien. ¿Y tú? ¿Tú?
Todo bien.
Todo bien.
God must align me. I rather sing and float without your baby. You had to be there just for me. Jump, I jump, no.